Canva hacks you didn't know. Go into Canva, then go onto the left-hand side and click on Elements. From there, go into the little settings icon on the right hand, go copy over your branded hex codes and enter them into the color selector. From there, apply filters, and then you can find on-brand elements to add to your Instagram stories or to your Instagram posts. Canva hacks you didn't know, part 2. So you're going to find a photo within your brand color. You're going to remove the background and duplicate that slide 6 times. And then you're going to rotate each of the elements a different way to create a pattern. From there, you're going to click on each of the slides and animate them with 2 seconds each block. From there, you'll open up your phone. You're going to save this as a GIF, and then you're going to copy it from your photos into your Instagram stories. And now you've created a GIF that's on brand. Canva hacks you didn't know, part 3. Tired of messing around trying to get all your number elements to be the same size? Try this. Group them all together. From there, you're going to highlight them, and then you can size them. Now they're all going to be the same size. From here, you can place them where you want them. Don't worry about getting them exactly lined up because I've got a trick coming up for that. Once they're lined up, you're going to highlight them all, press position, and tidy up. Now they're perfectly aligned. And last hack, I bet you didn't know you could do this with a line. Click on the line element and go into the line weight. This allows you to thicken the line so that you can create text box or thicker borders. Click the shape that you'd like and then create the size for the text that you would like to use it for. And there you go. Canva hacks you didn't know, part 4. Use these quick keys to save you time. Press L to get the line. C for circle. If you hit R, you'll get a square. T for text. Save time using these hacks. Canva hacks you didn't know with a twist, part 5. Create a branded Linktree styled website. Go to bio link website in Canva, open that up, and you'll see all of the templates that they have on the side. You can scroll through those, or you can hit the color selector and choose your brand colors, and it'll pop up with something similar to your brand. You can pick one, and remember, you can also edit all of the elements within here. Now you don't have to pay Linktree to customize this web page for all of your offers. Canva hacks you didn't know, part 6. Love the color scheme from a certain photo? In Canva, under resources, you can click on palette generator. From there, you can upload a photo and it will pull the colors and give you the hex code so you can use these in your brand. Canva hacks you didn't know, part 7. Did you know that you could create brand kits in Canva? So click on brand kit, then you can add in your logos, you can add in your brand colors hex codes, and you can also add in fonts. And you can create multiple brand kits if you have multiple brands or multiple clients, and this will save you time while creating your designs. Canva hacks you didn't know, part 8. Here's a great way of checking out what fonts will look great together before creating your designs. You can do this by going into the font combination section in Canva and choosing a font, and you'll be able to see which font look best with the one that you chose. Canva hacks you didn't know, part 9. Go viral with this TikTok or Reels video hack. So go into Canva and then TikTok video. From there, scroll down until you find the FaceTime mockup. From there, you're going to click it, and then you're going to click on that background and delete it. Then you're going to add your own video. And once you do this, don't forget to add some of your own text to draw in your audience. We like to use humor for this one. And here's a pro tip. Pets do really, really well for this type of video. And for the sounds, for TikTok, you'll use ring ring cat calling, and the sound for Reels will be the original audio Kiwi Bug the Pug. Have a blast creating, and don't forget to tag us when you post yours. Canva hacks you didn't know, part 10. Canva's color wheel is amazing. This allows you to choose a color and see what color might go best with the one that you chose. You can also lighten the hue to a pastel or darken it, and then you can also check out how those colors are going to look in a designed element.